show cause orders to 34 resource persons, mostly social media personalities. Out of 34 that we have invited, 10 are present today and 24 did not attend. These are the following: Mr. Alex Destor, Alan Troy Sas Rolando Sasot, Alvin Mortero, Claire Eden Contreras, Claro Ganak, Cyrus Preglo, Darwin Salceda, Edwin Hamora, Elmer Hugalbot, Ernesto Abinis Jr., Attorney Glenn Chong, Jeffrey Almendra Celis, Jeffrey Cruz, Joe Smith Medina, Jonathan Morales, Julius Milanosi Maui, Kester Ramon Balibalos Tan, Lord Byron Cristobal, Lorraine Marie Badoy, Maria Florenda Espinilla, Maricar Serrano, Susan Batalla, Mary Catherine Binag, and Miss Vivian Zapata Rodriguez. So at this point, since we have already issued this cause order, this committee is now, since of your non-appearance, this committee now is compelled to issue a subpoena.
Mr. Chairman. Chairman.
Yes, Representative.
Mr. Chairman, may I respectfully move to issue a subpoena at Steve Candong for all those mentioned named by the Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Therefore, the chair hereby, the motion is approved, and the chair hereby directs the committee secretary to issue the subpoena to the mentioned resource persons. We also issued, rather this committee also issued subpoena at the secondum to 11 resource persons. Out of 11, 8 are present, and the following 3 resource persons did not attend: Miss Lauren Marie Badoy, Mr. Jeffrey Almendra Celis,